If you want to start a podcast, record better episodes, grow your audience, and build a successful show, then HowExpert Guide to Podcasting gives you a clear, practical system to help you do it. Using the 30-day podcasting framework, you will learn how to shape your idea, understand your listeners, plan engaging episodes, improve your hosting skills, record and edit with confidence, publish across major platforms, promote your show, and build lasting momentum so you can create a podcast that continues to grow over time. Starting a podcast can feel overwhelming when you are trying to manage your planning, recording, editing, publishing, promotion, and growth all at once. Instead of figuring everything out on your own, this guide simplifies the entire process into a 30-day step-by-step system, so you always know what to do next. Whether you want to launch your first show, improve an existing podcast, share your expertise, interview inspiring guests, build authority, or grow your brand, you will gain the knowledge, confidence, and systems needed for long-term podcasting success. Introduction. Discover what it takes to launch, grow, and succeed in podcasting. Chapter 1. P. Podcast Foundations and Show Strategy. Build a strong foundation for long-term podcasting success. Chapter 2. O. Original Concept, Audience, and Positioning. Choose the right niche and attract the listeners you want to reach. Chapter 3. D. Developing Episode Structure and Content Systems. Plan episodes that keep listeners engaged from beginning to end. Chapter 4. C. Conversation, Scripting, and Hosting Skills. Become a confident host who delivers engaging conversations. Chapter 5. A. Audio Setup, Recording, and Production Basics. Record clear, professional quality audio. Chapter 6. S. Sound Editing, Story Flow, and Show Polish. Edit episodes that sound polished and keep listeners engaged. Chapter 7. T. Tools, Platforms, Publishing, and Distribution. Launch your podcast using the right tools and platforms. Chapter 8. I. Identity, Branding, Video, and Visual Presence. Create a memorable podcast brand and visual identity. Chapter 9. N. Network Growth, Promotion, and Audience Engagement. Attract loyal listeners and build an engaged community. Chapter 10. G. Growth, Monetization, and Long-Term Podcast Mastery. Grow your audience, earn revenue, and sustain your podcast for years to come. Conclusion. Continue growing your podcast beyond your first 30 days. Appendices. Access a glossary, recommended resources, FAQs, and key takeaways to support your podcasting journey. HowExpert Guide to Podcasting is for beginners, creators, entrepreneurs, coaches, educators, storytellers, professionals, and aspiring hosts who want a practical path to podcasting success. By following the 30-day podcasting framework, you will build the skills, habits, confidence, and systems needed to create better episodes, grow a loyal audience, build a successful show, and continue improving long after your launch. Start your podcast with confidence using the proven step-by-step system in HowExpert Guide to Podcasting. Record better episodes, grow your audience, and build a successful show one practical step at a time. Begin your podcasting journey today and build a podcast that informs, inspires, and leaves a lasting impact. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.